How to enable emergency SOS on any smartphone. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can easily enable your emergency SOS on your smartphone. Let's begin. Open up settings, and once you open it up, you can either directly search for emergency or you can first go ahead and find security and privacy settings. Right below that, you have location as well as safety and emergency service. Tap on it and go to Emergency SOS. From here, make sure you toggle this swipe, require swipe to call, and then you can enter your emergency number. It might vary depending on your region, so make sure you select an emergency number from there. And if you want to send SOS to emergency contacts, you can toggle this on as well. You can add your emergency contacts and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.